What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to break down the reasons and the benefits of why CloserX's voice AI solutions are going to be the best reselling option to your clients as an AI automation agent, comparing it to the other products out there in the market. Additionally, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple workflow on Go High Level to launch your campaign from the CRM itself. So if you're interested, stick around and let's dive in. Okay, so first off, we have simply created a really useful and basically simple workflow or mind map or whatever you call it. So I can basically show how this product works, what are the basic features, what are the necessary and basically uh, good features of the software compared to the other products out there in the market. And basically, you're going to understand the whole purpose of this video in the next 2-3 minutes, only with this mind map. So let's dive into the mind map itself and see what we've got here. So basically, CloserX is an AI-powered lead engagement and booking process, which is obviously done by voice AI agent. So you're simply gonna basically enter your leads in the system and have your AI agent, which is completely created by you yourself. And also there are ready to use Trove just to plug and play out there, so you can simply launch your campaigns with those AI agents. As you can see, it had a really simple process. So the lead entered the system. You can also integrate the software with Go High Level. So you can maybe also have your lead enter the workflow and the calling campaign through Go High Level itself. And then the AI is going to make the first contact. So with the first initial AI calling. And then AI is going to follow up to no answer scenarios. So let's say some people telephone is a bit maybe busy or stuff like that, or they go to voicemail or anything like that. So the AI is also going to do follow up with customized workflows on Go High Level. The AI is going to quantify the lead right on the call without having any human effort at all. And then the AI is going to book the clients even in less than 4 to 5 minutes. We also have sample call recordings on that, which the AI is mostly booking the clients in less than 4 minutes. So that also makes sense. And also it had nurturing sequences on Go High Level, which you can basically set up SMS campaigns, email campaigns, WhatsApp campaigns, on any kind of campaign on different channels. So it's just up to you. The customizability doesn't finish at this limit. So at the end of the day, you also have a really simple performance tracking of the AI improvements right on the dashboard itself in CloserX. So as soon as you log into the dashboard, you're gonna see all of these basically dashboard and analytics. So you get your own feedback of the campaign. So right off the bat, we have a really simple mind map of comparing it to the other product out there, why you should choose CloserX, why it's better option for reselling to your clients, and why are there other clients out there benefiting our reselling solution, comparing it to the other platforms out there. So our reselling has the white label features, which most other platforms out there are not providing white label features such as that AI. This platform is not like the cheap ones out there, which also provide white label solutions, but they're really cheap in terms of the conversation and how natural it sounds. This platform has a really natural, basically sound and conversation, close to human conversation, and it has really good pricing. So the pricings are so good that you can really um, get the profit margin up so high and basically benefit yourself or whatever kind of plan you have for the whole thing. And yeah, as you can see, comparing it to the other platforms, which have high pricing, less natural compensation, and also limited resale option. So that's also one thing. Additionally, I'm going to show you one of the most important features of CloserX, which is fully integratable with Go High Level, Zapier. You can also have VList imported to the software itself without using any extra CRM or software in addition to CloserX. So it could be simply used as a standalone application right here. And also, where you have campaign dashboard, which I also previously said, you can track and monitor all of the analytics right on your dashboard as soon as you log into the page, and then you're gonna see how your campaigns are going. With also summaries, transcript, and call recordings for each contact. So keep that in mind. And last but not least, the CRM integration with Go High Level is going to help you create customized workflows of how the AI agent is going to call, how many basic follow-up campaigns are you doing, customized SMS or different channel workflows, sequences, and anything like that would be integrated with the system all in one. So that's basically a really brief introduction to this software, which is really good. This one is actually explaining all the software in less than 2-3 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's actually dive into the software. So, oh, by the way, keep in mind that if you all just type in CloserX.ai right on your browser, you know, face our website, obviously, and on the top right corner, you can click on this try it for free option and then get your 7-day free trial right from here and test the AI yourself.
Hello, my name is Ayman Chalabi.
Also, keep that in mind. If you want to get this 7-day free trial, you can consider checking our website and just logging in yourself here. And let's just waste no more time and simply create a new agent, or actually the previous one. And I'm going to now show you basically how to launch a campaign from Go High Level. So let's say I had this insurance agent right here, which I previously created. And let's say I'm going to launch a campaign, which is obviously going to be, let's say,
Of the high frequency marketing agency.
of this right here. You know what? Let me just close the page. Okay. So back here, let's say that you're going to launch a campaign from here and actually start the workflow on Go High Level. So first off, let me actually open Go High Level right here. I'm going to create a really simple workflow from scratch. Let's just have this here. Let's have the figure out tag. As soon as the tag is added, what tag let's say that we had such a thing. Let's call your add new tag. We add right here, save it. And okay, now let's assume that you have already integrated CloserX with your Go High Level. And in case you're not, I'm just gonna show you in like a second. So you could just show it to you from here. You come here in your own CloserX dashboard. On the left tab, you click on integration. You come here to Zapier, and here you can see that it's a lead connector integration. So from here, you're gonna connect to your preferred sub account on Go High Level. So yeah, that's also one thing. Let me actually connect it to, let's see what are we connected to. So let's say after you are connected to your Go High Level sub account, you're gonna search for AI All Agent, which is a premium one because it's from the software itself. So you click on this, and assuming you have already integrated your basically account with your Go High Level, you're going to be obviously able to select your campaign and also connect it to your calendar. So you can see that we have 3 different calendars on here, which is only for this sub account. And also you can select the campaign from your CloserX dashboard. So let me also show you where the campaigns are. So you come here to the tab again. There is a campaign button. You click on this and you can simply create new campaigns by simply selecting this one or the CRM and API campaigns, which are going to be ran from your Go High Level. You enter the name, as campaign for video. Let's select one of the agents, which I'm just going to select this one actually, just for the purpose. Let's select this one as the number, and let's start the campaign. That's as simple as that. So as you can see, let me open up the campaign itself. Here in the URL, you can see the campaign ID, which I'm gonna basically copy it. And basically, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna select this one as dynamic. I'm gonna input the campaign ID right here. Just the sample calendar right here. And you can also see that you can send custom data from these 4 different input options. So let's say you're gonna send the client's name, you're gonna send the client's address, anything that you're gonna need uh to provide to your voice AI agent, so it can handle the call smoothly. You can just type it in here, any custom variable, any custom field or custom variable, anything like that. You can have it imported here. Let's save the action. I'm gonna make the workflow public and save it just like that. So let me also name the workflow. Yeah, be Vader. Let's save that again. So you guys can see that I have this agent right here. Uh, everything is ready here. So we can also see that there is a test call option. The prompt is ready. I've customized the voice setting, the call setting, everything is customized. I'm probably sure that in the past or the next videos, you're going to see um, basically how all of these settings work. So now let's only focus on how to launch this from Go High Level. So now that we have this workflow ready, let me go to contacts and basically create a new contact with my phone number, which is this one. I'm gonna go here. Actually, I'm gonna create a new contact with my phone number. Let's name it Ashton. Test. Then no email. The phone number is gonna be this. Or if you need this, just on the sample, save it, and boom, it's now ready. So now let me search for it. Reveal already inside of the contact itself. So let's just add the tag and see what's gonna happen. What was the tag? That um all I believe, yeah, call CloserX. Now let's wait for a call to happen, most likely. So if a call doesn't happen right now, I'm gonna be really pissed off because I most likely done something wrong, and we'll figure it out. If there was anything like that, we'll figure it out. So let's see. Let's go actually back to CloserX, our dashboard. I'm gonna go to the dashboard. Actually, let's get here. Okay, we have this call recording, which will not be most likely. Let's go to the campaign. Well, the campaign here. No analytics right now or in the campaign. So I'm gonna tell you why. It's because this campaign, actually this agent is not connected to the other sub account which I have here. This is the different sub account which I'm launching it plus. So now you know what? Let's just have our agent connected to the Go High Level. So I'm gonna click on the integrations here and next with my own lead connector. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna show me the page for connecting. Actually selecting my sub account. Let me select this one for a second. So just wait for it. Come here, you click on next. I'm gonna select my preferred sub account, which is this one. So I'm actually changing the sub account. So okay, now we have it connected. You know what? Let's go back here. I'm gonna remove this tag. I'm gonna go to the automations, and I'm actually gonna menu select the campaign. So it was the leads later. This short blue. Okay. Let's actually now that you're connected, let's actually select the campaign from the drop down menu. So I click on the standard. Now you can see that I have all of those campaigns. So this campaign is the one that I just created, I believe. Let's actually check again. The campaign which I just created is this one, obviously. That's campaign for video. So let's go back to Go High Level. I'm gonna select this campaign. I'm gonna save the action and save the whole thing again. Let's go back here, speed contact, and then I'm gonna open up my contact. Actually, let me select it and add the tag, the blood. You just click on add tag. I'm sorry for the delay because the internet connection is so low these days. So we're gonna pay the kind of issue for video and like tag. It would be the test only. That should do the job. Okay, add the tag. Let's see if we receive a call or not. We actually go back to the dashboard. You should see that the call is right here. Let's open it up. Call is initiated, just did it updated here, and we are actually receiving call. Let's answer the phone call. Let's see how it goes. Um,
This is Jennifer from Polarbaugh. Are you still the homeowner of your current property?
yes, I actually am the homeowner. So what is this about exactly?
Well, the reason for my call is that there's a new government program that just rolled out in state that offers a no-cost out-of-pocket solar upgrade for homeowners in your neighborhood. With this EAM program, there's a possibility that we'll be able to reduce your electric bill by up to 40%. Has anybody come by to talk to you about this yet?
Actually, yeah, but I'm not really interested in that. So thank you for calling, by the way.
I completely understand, Afghan. Sometimes these things can seem like a lot to consider. The reason I reached out is because this program is specifically designed to help homeowners like you save money without any upfront cost. Just out of curiosity, was there something specific that made you decide it wasn't for you? Sometimes I can help clarify things.
To be honest, you just don't have the money right now. That's the whole thing.
I totally get where you're coming from, Afghan. And that's actually one of the best parts of this program. It's designed to save you money without requiring any out of pocket costs up front. Instead of paying high electric bill, you'd have a much lower fixed solar bill, which could save you up to 40% or more. Would it be okay if I asked you a few quick questions to see if you might qualify? This way you can at least know if the program is an option for you down the road.
Like, can I look at appointment?
Sure, we can definitely book an appointment. Just to confirm, you're in what date, right? That way I can make sure we're working with the correct time zone for scheduling. When would be a good day for you?
Not interested anymore. So we're calling and
Thank you for your time, Ashton. If you ever change your mind or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
okay, that's really clear. Um, so you now know how this works. Simply launch a really simple campaign from below level. And now if you come here and basically get back at the dashboard page and go back again here, we can see that the outcome was a callback. Because I asked for a callback, but accidentally it ended the call out at the end, so it came out in negative. The agent hung up the call, and now you can see that the status of the call, the agent hung up with the true, the call duration, the contact number, full name, created that, with it. Everything is being noted down, and you can see that performance of your campaign is already being shown on the dashboard. And you also see that here also another dashboard here, which is showing you everything that you need. So that's basically it. I'm gonna remind you at the end, if you're really interested in checking it out, you can come here to CloserX.ai. Try it for free on the top right corner of this slide and see how it works for yourself. And also keep in mind that there should be also like a link down below to book a free consultation meeting with us. See how we can tailor it for you for your own business. And also additionally, if you're more interested in these kinds of videos, me explaining how the software works and about voice AI agents, you can consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And we'll try to see you in the next video, hopefully. So thank you for watching and catch you in the next one. Peace out for now.